Yo, what's good? Today I went and got 4 booster packs of X and Y. My last video I bought 8 and I pulled 3 Rhyperiors, so I was not happy. I mean, it's cool. I mean, there were hollows, 8 out of 8. Hopefully I get 4 hollows. All I want is just the Yveltal EX full art or Xerneas EX full art. So yeah, let's do this. Hollows out of these boosters would be nice. I mean, hollows are hollows, right? It's hard to come by. Ooh, this one is tough. Alright. So, let's start with this Yveltal. See if the first pack can be a Yveltal EX full art. It would be great if it was Yveltal. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got an Electrode, Cassius, Whirlipede, Lillipup, Ladybug, Spritzee, Tailo, Chespin. Reverse full is another Frogadier. Alright, this is like my third one. And also Hollow Armatus. Alright, this is my second one. Sounds good. Okay, put them right here. My reverse foil and my foil. 1 for 1, eh? The first booster pack is a foil. That's amazing. Alright, let's see. Okay, Spoopa, Great Ball, Herdier, Bunnelby, Doduo, Scatterbug, Swirlix, Staryu. Alright, a reverse foil, Greninja! Wow, it's a rare. It's supposed to be a hollow. Reverse foil is amazing. Greninja is actually my favorite X and Y starter full evolution, so I'm quite happy. And our rare is Skarmory EX. Alright, an EX, huh? Right off the bat, or not right off the bat, the second booster pack. 2 for 2 so far. Second booster pack got a Skarmory EX. Hey, look at this reverse foil. I got Greninja and a Frogadier, huh? It would be pretty crazy if I got a reverse foil Froakie. Alright, okay, the third pack. Let's see. Let's see what we pull here. A Girder, Mr. Mime, a Ladian, Honedge, Slugma, Jigglypuff, Pumpkaboo, Doduo, Spoink reverse foil, and a rare Tauros. Alright, it's okay. We got 2 for 3 right now. Put the rare right here. Okay, our last booster pack, Venusaur. Hoping it's a Yveltal EX. A foil will not hurt as long as it's not a Rhyperior, eh? I pulled like a few of them in the last episode. Last video. Red card. Alright. Muscle Band. I'm actually looking for a few Muscle Bands, so I'm quite happy that I pulled a Muscle Band. Dodrio, Ladybug, Jigglypuff, Venipede, Fairy Energy, Pensage, and a reverse foil Wigglytuff. Is it a rare? It is a rare reverse foil, so that's amazing. And what do you know? Last pack. Oh, alright, Barrier. Oh man, these guys must love me or something. They just can't get enough of me. Alright. Okay, so to recap, this is what we got. Got a rare Tauros, Reverse Wigglytuff, Reverse Spoink, Reverse Frogadier, Reverse Greninja. Now all I'm missing is just Reverse Froakie, huh? Rhyperior, the guy that loves me, huh? Armatus, and a Skarmory EX. Alright, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click the like button and subscribe, hopefully. Alright, peace out.